Okay, so if you press the menu button on your left hand, you are teeny. Yes. And if you press the button again, you are big. And you can actually paint and do stuff here. See? Yes, with that you can paint. And with this. But this is pretty slow. It's better to use this tool because yes, and with this one you can actually build pretty fast. And with this one again, you can do cool stuff because you can actually, you know, yes. You also have, let me show you. If you press this, press it, just press it. Okay, so now paint. Yes, so you can build just the half of the map, and that's pretty useful because you can actually do a map pretty fast. Yes, with grips you are like climbing, and okay, let's try to do a small map here. Gonna remove this. Okay. So let's set the objective. The objective is this. Yes. See? No, but there's only one. So yes. 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 With that, you can move things that you create. For example, if you want to create a sphere, you can move and even resize it. Yes. Yes. And you have different shapes here, for example, but this is only for, you know, the decoration. And yes, but it's better to use this. What they have to do on the next update is to set some text here saying this is for setting props, and you know. So with that, you hold your trigger and point to the floor, and you will see that you will be able to set some props. And while you press the trigger, if you touch your touchpad left and right, the item will rotate. Yes. If you press without pressing the trigger, if you press right and left, you can change the type of the prop you're working. So you have a small library here that we will grow in. Sorry about my English. Sometimes I need a bit of time to, you know. Okay, so more things. We have a building tool that it's for environment stuff. You can build actually, you know, like some with you can actually build this kind of building with windows that you can look inside, and it's. But the thing is that this is a trick. This is not expensive for the graphic cards, because if you enter inside, you see that there are no rooms inside. So yes, this is for, you know, environment to get you more immersed into the world you're creating. But we are actually we need to change this brown stuff because I don't like it. But Yes, yes, yes. This was not a good choice. And there's another important tool here. It's the ramp tool. You can create ramps pretty fast. This one. We have some placeholder icons, but you know. No, I think you can't actually move ramps for now. Yes, you can only delete them because you know it's right now only the host can delete stuff, but it's this thing. And let me show you this flag is the spawn point. That if you click, you can take this and set it in the floor, or you know, and people will be there. If this is moving, it's because you are in United States and I'm in Europe, and it's too much distance for so much information. So okay, yes, this. No, that's not the button. It's this. This is the weapon point. So you can create, and when you place it, you can set up it with this. You can select it, and you have these blocks that you can push and change the type of weapon. I know that this needs a bit of polish for UI stuff and that, but you know, we are. So what more we have here? Shit, fucking bots. Yes, I think this is going to be a very good part for the game, because the users will be able to play new maps every day. Okay, come with me. Okay, this block is the limit of the map. There's another one there, and yes, this. Okay, yes, and there's one, and there's another one here. Yes. Yes, and there's another important thing in this level editor is there are people that is saying like, oh, Pavlova has a Steam Workshop and it's awesome. It's great, and I like that part, but I'm not trying to focus on the same thing that Pavlov. I'm not focusing on let level creators create maps. I want to everyone create maps. Yes, and it's collaborative. It's like, you know, I want to have fun creating. I have been like 8 people playing and editing in the same. Yes, and I think I'm very proud of this part of the game, because I think that there's going to be a lot of people that will like this part. It has been a pleasure for me to, and I have an update to create right now too. So it has been great to talk with you again. Okay, so bye.